Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your DJI Mic Mini. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten their DJI Mic Mini. And so if you're wondering how to charge it, it's pretty simple. All you've got to do is place all the transmitters and devices inside the case. Afterwards, close it. And then you're going to find on the back that there's a Type-C input cable here. So with that Type-C input cable, all you've got to do is plug it in the back right over here. And you should actually go ahead and see the actual charging cable charge. So once it's plugged in, you'll see that it now starts to blink white as if it's indicating that it's charging. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your DJI Mic Mini. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.